to install softwares your own. Sometimes there is a network operators team in software company, they install it all the required softwares. Sometimes you need to install it. That's why first of all you need to know it how to install and how to configure the softwares. So here we will discuss about how to install the Java. Here మనం సెట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే first of all how to install the Java. Step 1, how to install. Installation లో ఏముంటుందండి? ఫస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్. డైరెక్ట్ గా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి, దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ సెట్ ద పాత్. జావా పాత్ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి. జావా పాత్ సెట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ యూ కెన్ write and execute Java program. Let's observe one by one. First of all, how to download the Java. So we will directly download it. So we are already seen here. Java software configuration and installation. In order to begin with write the Java programs, we need an Java software. And after you will be able to write your first program. So Java is nothing but it is a JDK, Java Development Kit. When we want to install the Java, it means that is a JDK. JDK install cheskone download chesi install chesukovali. The JDK contains directly JRE and JVM. No need to installation it JRE and JVM. Once you install the JDK, it's automatically install the JRE and JVM. So first of all, open any browser. In this browser, search Java download. Search the Java downloads. So here, Java is which company? And it is a subsidiary of Oracle company. Basically, it is an Sun Microsystem. Now it is an Oracle. So it is an official website www.oracle.com. Simply open this oracle.com link. Observe here, this is an Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. So here, the latest version of Java is Java 20. Java 20, Java 17. So in this Java versions, we have some versions are beta versions or trial versions. Some versions are stable versions. Understand this thing. Some of the Java versions are stable versions. Some of the Java versions are trial versions. So when we install the Java from 1 to 20, the Java 8, Java 11 and Java 17. Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. These three are stable versions. The stable versions we have an lifetime support. We know, sir, these are stable versions and so these are having a lifetime support. It will shows an LTS. For example, I am checking into Java space version. I am using which version? 11. So 11 is an LTS, lifetime support. Lifetime support. Sir, మరి ఇప్పుడు నేను 8 చేయాలా 11 17 అంటే యాజ్ ఏ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ పర్పస్, యాజ్ ఏ ప్రాక్టీషనర్ యూ కెన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఎనీథింగ్. But right now also in real time software companies are using Java SE 8 only. కంపెనీలో మీరు రేపు వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కూడా యూజ్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే 8, because 8 is completely stable version. So 11 is also 11 ki 17 కన్నా 8 is stable version. Most of the companies are using Java SE 8 only. మీకు ఏదన్నా మీరు జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ తీసుకుంటే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ లో కూడా ద కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ Java SE 8 అన్నాడు. సో ద స్టేబుల్ వర్షన్ కి ట్రయల్ వర్షన్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేబుల్ ఫీచర్స్ వి హావ్ ఇంటూ దట్ వర్షన్స్. ఓకే, so here present the version is 20. 20 వర్షన్ ఉంటుంది. నువ్వు 20 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, 17 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదు సార్ నేను 11 కానీ 8 కానీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటా సార్ అంటే 11 ఆర్ 8 అని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకో. ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్ అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 20 అయితే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక చూడండి, డిఫరెంట్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ లైనిక్స్, మ్యాక్, విండోస్. అవర్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్ click on Windows. See here. Here we have an x64, x64, x64. In this one, zip file untadi, .exe file untadi. No need to zip file andi. Directly click on the .exe file. .exe file మీద click చేస్తే automatically .exe file download అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? లేదు సార్ I need an Java SE 17 సార్ JDK 17 అంటే here also click on Windows. Here is also an .exe file. It will directly install it. 20 కావాలి సార్ అంటే when you click on it, it will directly 17 or 20 installation. So if when you want to install in Java SE 8 or 11, for example 8 install చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా Windows. In this one is also we have an x64 installer. If you want to install this one, you need to create an Oracle account. Oracle account లో లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి మీరు. SE 8 కానీ 11 కానీ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. Because SE 8 is an stable version. When the users wants to download SE 8 version, they need to create their Oracle account. If you have an account, directly log in it. Otherwise, create account and with that credentials log in it and download the Java SE 8. So if you want to use anything, okay, no problem. So we are using present Java 20 or 17 version. Anything is okay. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్? సో మీరు 20 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని డైరెక్ట్ గా న్యూ ఫీచర్ కాబట్టి అప్డేట్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి 20 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోండి. ఆఫ్టర్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్, సింప్లీ go to downloads. Here we have downloaded 20 and 17. Simply double click on it. When you install into your own system, all of you follow these steps. Install any, click on install anyway. Very, very easy and simple steps. And yes, click on yes. Click on next. No need to change anything. Simply close it. Yes, it will automatically install into your system. We have only 2-3 steps. So first of all, you need to check it. It's really installed into your system or not. How I check it? Go to program files in C drive, program files. Here we have a Java folder. So I have previously in 11 version. Now I am installed in 20 version. I am installing into the 20 version. So before installing the Java, you have a doubt my system having Java or not. నా సిస్టమ్ లో జావా ఉందా లేదా ఎలా టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే, ఓపెన్ ద కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ అండ్ చెక్ విత్ దిస్ కమాండ్ PRS Java space -version. If your system having any Java version, it will display the version. Previously it displays an 11, now it displays an 20. చూడండి మనం ఇంతకుముందు 11 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ LTS అని వచ్చింది. Now there is LTS. because it is an beta version or trial version. Can beta version or trial version. x64 installer SE runtime. The Java contains JDK and JRE, Java runtime environment also. Okay, so in your system having Java, there is no need to install it. So did not find any Java version, now you can install it. After installation, you need to check it once again. It will display the current version of installed Java. ఇక్కడ మీకు వర్షన్ చూపించిందంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా జావా ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఇస్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అని. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ we have completed the step 1, download it and install it. The second immediate thing is set the path. How to set the path? So observe here. First of all, go to where you install the Java. This is in Java JDK 20. Click on bin here. Copy this path. Initially, this path ni copy here. My system already having a current path, no need it, but I will explain it. See. So go to view advanced settings. View advanced settings. In this one, advanced tab, select the environment variables. Select the environment. Here we have an environment variables and system variables. Environment and system variables. Come to system variables. Here already my system having a path. Observe here Java path. This is an Java path. Already నా సిస్టమ్ ఉంది. మీరు ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎలా పాస్ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇన్ సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ న్యూ and type here like path or Java path. Path అని కానీ Java path కానీ ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయండి. Here copy what the URL you are copied, location you are copied. So ఎక్కడ కాపీ చేశారు మీరు ఇక్కడ? This is an bin. This is an bin. So simply copy this path and the same path paste here. So what is the path here? Program files Java JDK 20 bin. And simply click on OK. OK click చేయండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా OK click చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా OK click చేయండి. Now you are completed the set the path also. Okay. Again I will show it again how to set the Java path. First of all, open program files. Path చేయలే ఇప్పుడు అదే అందుకే. So open the program files, follow these steps, click on Java folder. Which version you are set the path? JDK. Click on bin. First of all, copy this path. Path copy చేయండి. Hold on it. And next, search here view advanced system settings. So in this one, in advanced tab, we have in different tabs. In advanced tabs, click on environment variables. In this system variable, if you don't have the path, simply click on the new and type here Java path or path and paste the copied path here. Copy చేసిన path ఇక్కడ clear చేసి okay కొట్టండి. Sir, already my system having the path, sir, and if you want to edit it, simply click on that path and simply click on edit. Edit లోకి వెళ్తే ఇక్కడ చూడండి నా Java path ఎక్కడ ఉందో. See here. Java JDK, which version I am using? 11 version. Okay, simply click on here and edit here. నేను ఎడిట్ చేసి మీరు కాపీ చేసుకున్న పాతను అక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో యూ కెన్ సెర్చ్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్ హ్యావింగ్ పాత్ ఆర్ నాట్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. సింప్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ పాత్, ఎడిట్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది వరాకిల్ది, ఇది జావా పాత్. జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ జావా జేడీకే 11 వర్షన్ బిన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం కాపీ చేసింది ఏంటి? ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ జావా జేడీకే 20 వర్షన్. ఓకే, so this is one model, one version, this is another version. So if you have an path, there is no problem, no need to set it again and again, don't disturb it. So this is an how to install the Java and how to set the Java path. After completion of Java path, once restart your system and then you can use your Java. Okay, so now, so how to see the which version we have? Java space, open command prompt, Java space version. It displays the current version. Okay, so the next step is, I will show the steps also here. JDK contains JRE, JVM and first of all, some PCs might have Java already installed. కొన్ని systems లో already ఉంటది. To check if you have Java is in your old PC or not, the command is Java space version. It displays any version. So your system already having the Java. Otherwise, you can download it. Simply go to Oracle system, Oracle website, and Oracle website and download which version you want. Like version, stable version, stable version, trial version, and trial version. You can install it anything, no problem. So after install it, click on x64 installer, not zip file, directly .xl. If you download in zip file, you need to unzip it. So no need directly install and directly download in .exe file. Click on download. Stable version అయితే login అడుగుతుంది. We can log in it and it will download in Java version .exe file. After that, simply open it, double click on it. It will ask to yes or no. Yes. Simply click on yes. Next. No need to change anything. Next. Close it. So the Java successfully installed. So how to see is it installed or not? Previously your system does not having a Java folder. Right now the program files contains Java folder. Java లేకపోతే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫోల్డర్ ఉండదు. Now it is Java folder. So then the next continuous thing is path setting. Without path setting, the Java program you are unable to execute it. Java program మనం execute చేయడానికి possible కాదు. Where we run it, we need to set the path. How to set the path? View advanced system settings. In this advanced tab, click on environment variables. Click on new. So simply write Java home, Java path or path. Paste the copied path. మీరు కాపీ చేసుకున్న పాత్ తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. అది ఏదైనా ఏం కాదు, మీరు ఏది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటే అది. సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ లో ఇన్స్టలేషన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ లోనే సెట్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ రాకపోతే దెన్ యూ కెన్ సెట్ ద సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఆల్రెడీ మీ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉంటే సింప్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎడిట్, లేదంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా న్యూది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి న్యూది సెట్ పాత్ సెట్ చేసుకోండి. After set the path again, you need to check it Java version. It displays on the current version. So now how to write the Java program? Let's see. Okay. After installation, after set the Java path, how to write the Java program and how to install it. Let's see. So when we write the Java programs, we need an editors. We are unable to write the and execute the Java programs directly. So for this purpose, we need an editors. We have two types of editors. One is an basic editor and the second one is an advanced editor. Basic editor untadi, advanced editor untadi. So first of all, we are writing and executing the programs with the help of basic editors. Then we move to the advanced editor. In interview, some of the interviewer asked to write the Java program and execute in basic editor. We are using here the basic editor is Notepad. మనకి క్రియేట్ చేసే బేసిక్ ఎడిటర్ అంటే నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అండి. మరి అడ్వాన్స్ ఎడిటర్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే ఎక్లిప్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంకా బేసిక్ ఎడిటర్స్ లో మనకి నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ డిఫరెంట్ వర్డ్స్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఎన్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్. అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్ ఎడిటర్స్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్, IntelliJ, NetBeans, Eclipse. What we are using here is only Eclipse. మన Eclipse ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రాస్తాం. So most of the companies in real time also using the Eclipse. Eclipse is one of the advanced editor. With the help of this editor, we will write and execute the Java programs directly. Okay. So first of all, with the help of basic editors, with the help of notepads, how to write the Java program and how to execute it, how to run it. Let's we observe here. ఇక్కడ మనం జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా రాయాలి, ఎలా రన్ చేయాలి, ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలో లెట్స్ వి చెక్ ఇట్. సో బిఫోర్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఇంటూ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ what are the steps we need to perform it after installation and set the Java path. When you write the Java program in Notepad, first of all open the Notepad and write a new program. In Notepad I will give the steps. So first of all write the new program and next save the program. Save the program. How to save it? File name .java. Here .java is extension of the Java program. You need to mention it if it is an Java program. .java extension in the saving file name .java. You can give any file name, but the .java extension is mandatory. After save the file, you can compile the program. Save చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలండి? కంపైల్ చేయాలి. కంపైల్ మీన్స్ checking errors. Our written program having any errors or not, we need to check it. That thing we call it as compilation. So after writing the Java program, save the Java program, next compile the Java program. Sir, how to compile it? We are using here the compiler is Java-C file name .java. How to compile it? Java-C file name .java. If you have any errors, if you found any errors in the compilation, again we need to go to step 1 and edit the already written programs. If there is no errors in the program, it automatically creates a class file. మనం రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఎలాంటి ఎర్రర్స్ లేకపోతే it will automatically create a class file. After creating the class file, we will run or execute the Java program. How to run the Java program? Class name Java space class name .java. class name dot Java. Class name dot Java. So this is an run or execute the program. After execute the program, what is the next step? Analysis, analyze the result. So our expected result and the actual result both are same. Our Java program is successfully executed. Java program is successfully executed. Clear? So here file name dot Java, for example, I am taking it as file name is sample. Let's write sample dot Java. For example, you are writing the file name and class name both are same or different. Class name you are writing first. So first dot class file. That is a Java file. This is a class file. Sir, we are creating the Java file. Who creates the class file? The Java compiler. If there is no errors, it automatically creates a class file. We can execute the, we can run the class file. Can run the class file here. So these are the steps. Clear? Any doubts? Let's write one basic Java program. First of all, open Notepad. Open the basic editor Notepad and write here sample Java program. Okay, every Java program starts with class. What is the structure of the Java program? You know it together. Class, class name. Class name, open here main method. Here we write main method. Here main method open. Here you write an body of method class or main method. Body of class or body of main method. You can write anything. First of all, close the main method and so it is, we call it as class open. Then under class open under. Listen carefully. From tomorrow onwards, you need to write the Java programs your own. Class open. This is an main open. Main method open. This is an main close. Main method close. This is an class close. Class close. So class name, main method, body of the class. When you write the class, immediately you can open it. When you write the main method, immediately open it. So after completing the body of the class, you need to close the main method. Then you need to close the class. So every Java program starts with class and ends with class. So the Java program contains an classes and objects. That's why we are call it as that is an object oriented program. That's why we call it as a object oriented programming structure. Let's write an example. So here the class is an keyword. Class is an, we are using a keyword. Class name is an user defined. Class name is an user defined means user can give any name. User can give any name. Java program contains two types of words or two types of names or two types of things. The first one we call it as predefined, second one we call it as user defined. One is predefined, the second one user defined. The predefined is nothing but already they developed into the Java. Who is the author of the Java? They developed some of the built-in things. Those things we call it as predefined things. As a user, we can use those predefined things only. We are unable to modify it. We don't have any permission to modify the predefined thing. Whenever the user or the programmer unable to satisfy with predefined, he have chance to go with to move with the user defined. So everywhere you are using the user defined, you need to follow the some of the rules and regulations. User defined kelinappudalla em cheyalandi, follow the rules and regulations. So in user defined, user having the option, user having the chance to choose their own, but before choosing it, you need to follow some of the rules and regulations. Like here, class is an predefined, we are unable to modify it, change it, but the class name is user defined. User defined means you can give any name, but you need to follow some rules. We will discuss the what are the class rules after some time. So class name, main method. Clear. So class is a keyword. I am writing the class name is first program sample1. Sample1 ane. This is an class name. What is this one? Class name. Class is a keyword. Sir, can I write one yes? Yes or no? No, because it is an predefined. Sir, can I write here sample2? Yes, because it is an pre-user defined. So open, class open. Next write main method. So which main method we are using, sir? And public static void main string arguments. Public static void main string arguments. So this statement we call it as main method. Where if you want to execute any Java program, we need a main method. మనం ఏదైనా ఒక జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ మెథడ్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్స్ ఇంటూ ఎనీవేర్, బట్ వెన్ యూ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఇట్, వెన్ వీ కాల్ ఇట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ ద ఓన్లీ మెయిన్ మెథడ్. దాన్ని ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తాం మనం? మెయిన్ మెథడ్ లో మాత్రమే కాల్ చేస్తాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ మెథడ్. హియర్ పబ్లిక్ ఈజ్ an access specifier, static is an keyword. Keyword means, so we are saying the Java program contains classes and objects. Java program ఏముంటాయి అని చెప్తున్నాండి? Classes and objects. But we are writing here class. Okay కదా? But we are not writing the objects in this program. ఇక్కడ మన ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ రాయట్లేదు. మరి వితౌట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ హౌ దిస్ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ సార్ అంటే ఇట్స్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ స్టాటిక్ కీవర్డ్. The help of static keyword. When you write the static keyword, no need to write the objects. Objects రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. డైరెక్ట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. Void is the return type. Void means it does not return any value. When we use int, float, carry, it returns some values. So main is main method. These are string line arguments. Okay. So that is the main method. Main open. We are writing only one statement to print it. To print any statement in the Java program, we are using one statement, that is an system dot out dot println. ఏమి చేస్తుంది? System dot out dot println. So always write it is in inverted commas. So this is my first Java program. I am writing only one statement. Close it. So what is this one? System dot out dot println is, it is an output statement. This statement prints this statement in the output. Run చేసినప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ చూపించని చూపిస్తుంది. What is system, what is output, we will discuss on it. So we did not write anything. So I am simply closing the main method. I am simply closing the class. So after completing the program, you need to close the main method. You need to close the class. Program అయిపోయిన తర్వాత main method close చేయాలి, class close చేయాలి. So after writing the Java program, next step is save the program. సో సేవ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు మీ లోకల్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఏదో ఒక ఫోల్డర్. ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటెడ్ ద ఫోల్డర్ ఈజ్ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. Say here. Creating what is this one? Java programs. Okay, so I am saving my program into in this path. What is the path? C:\Java programs. Simply file, save or control S. Select your folder. Java programs. Always write the file name. I am also giving the file name is also sample1. Don't forget it. Write the .java extension. Write .java extension. SAMPLE. Sample. SAMPLE1. I am giving the class name and file name. Both are. This is the class name. This is the file name. This is the class name. So after select it, simply click on save. This is one sample1.java sample1. So after writing the Java program, we can compile the Java program. Here the question is how to compile the Java program. Simply open a command prompt, go to system, click on CMD. It will open a command prompt. So here in Java programs, in basic programs, write the Java program in Notepad and run into the command prompt. Ade Eclipse lo aithe direct akkade run chesukochu. So how to execute the programs in Eclipse are ante, see here. First of all, you need to direct which location you are stored the Java programs. For example, let's see, we will compile here. What is the error? We will analyze it. So how to run it? Java C file name dot Java. What is my file name? Sample1.java. How to compile the Java program? Java C file name dot Java. So when I compile it, it displays an error. What is the error? See here, file not found error. What is the error? So when I run this command, this meaning is the Java C compiler go to this path and checks the which file? Sample1.java. Which file and sample1.java. But it did not find any sample1.java in this location. Actually, where we are storing our program, where we are stored our program, observe it. In Java programs, what is the path here? Where is our file? Together, sample1.java. What is this path? C:\Java programs. Where we are storing the program? C:\Java programs. But where we are run this program? Users N85. Both are same? No, kada? No. Then how the compiler identify the program? So first of all, you need to redirect where you are stored in the program. మనం ఎక్కడైతే ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టోర్ చేసినో ఆ లొకేషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కంపైల్ చేయాలి. సో హౌ టు రీడైరెక్ట్ సార్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ cd బ్యాక్ స్లాష్ నెక్స్ట్ cd స్పేస్ పాత్. వాట్ ఈస్ మై పాత్? cd కోలన్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇంతకుముందు మనం యూజర్స్ N85 ఇది సిస్టమ్ డిఫాల్ట్ పాత్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎందులోకి వచ్చిన మనం సి డ్రైవ్ లోకి. ఎక్కడికి వచ్చినామండి? నా సి డ్రైవ్ లో. అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్, వేర్ ఈస్ అవర్ పాత్? వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ పాత్? C:. ఆల్రెడీ మనం C లోకి వచ్చినాం కదా. రైట్ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. If you want to write or if you want to copy. So cd means change directory. Now observe it, what is the current path? C:\Java programs. What is our Java program stored path? C Java. Both are same or not? Now compile the program, then the compiler identify which file we are compiling it. How to compile it? Java C file name dot Java. Okay, na? When you click on enter, if there is an error, it displays the error. So what is the error? This. What are the errors? How we will resolve it? We will check it again. Any error it displays? No. No means observe in this file. Here we are writing here. This is an sample one dot class. This is one sample one dot Java. I am deleting this one. This is our program. మన రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామే కదండి ఇది. Yes or no? Yes. Here there is any folder here? No. When I successfully compile it, there is no error. There is no error. If there is no error, it by default automatically creates a class file. Observe in this folder. There is no errors means it creates a class file. Previously we have only .java file. Now it will create a class file. So what is the class file contains? Let's open it. So the class file contains totally an system understandable language. We are unable to understand what is this one. So who understand it? The Java C compiler understand it. I think so. మనం తర్వాత discuss చేద్దాం one by one. Okay. So after successfully creating class file, there is no errors. Now run the Java program. How to run the Java program? Java space class name. So our class name and file name both are same or not? Sample1. It displays the output. What is the output? This is my first Java program. Where we are writing this statement? This is my first Java program. Okay? So like this one, first of all compile the program, next run the Java program. Compile the program and how to compile it? Java C file name dot Java. How to run it? Java space class name. How to run? Java space class name. No need to write here dot extension. Sample1 dot class రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఎప్పుడు రన్ చేస్తాం మనం? Whenever there is no errors. Errors అన్ని క్లియర్ అయ్యి క్లాస్ ఫైల్ జనరేట్ అయిన తర్వాత we can run it. Otherwise we are unable to run it. Okay, na? Sir, if you made any changes in the Java program, is it made or not? So I am writing here one more statement. My first Java program is success. Okay. So now when you made any changes, you need to save it. See here, I am saving this one. I am come to here. First of all, I am directly run the program. How to run it? Java space sample1. Is it added the next statement? No, because we are running the already created class file. ఇంతకుముందు ఈ క్లాస్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ అయింది, దాన్నే రన్ చేస్తున్నాం. So if you want to make changes into the class file, before run it, you need to compile it again. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి? Compile it. So when you compile it, now the changes are added into the class file. Now run it. It will display here. My first program, my first Java program is success. Okay, like this one, we need to download the Java, install the Java, and write the Java program and run the Java program. These are the different steps. I will share the installation notes and Oracle web link also, how to run the Java programs, basic programs. I will share it. All of you practice and come tomorrow session. Okay. Any doubt?